Hello dear student, how are you all? I think everyone are fine there. So student, welcome back to English class. So this is a grammar session. So we are discussing about grammar from last 2 and 3 days from when your examination have been over. Is it? So today we are going to take one such grammar portion. What it is? It is using be and have. What it is? Using be and have or subject plus be. So student, might you all are familiar with these kinds of verbs like be and have, and you have seen there in your English textbook or somewhere in another textbook. So student, after all, what are they? Be and have. When to use be and have? Okay, what is the real meaning of this? Verbs. This is what we have to take care here. So be and have are called auxiliary verbs. What are they called? Auxiliary verbs. So student, what is auxiliary? Some extra verbs. Okay. So be, here we can see they are of 8 kind of verbs. They are the 8 different forms of the verb. Let's say be is, are, am, been, been, has, have, etc. So they are called another 8 different forms of the verb, or you can see a be form of the verb. Alright, so here we are going to discuss about using be and have, and when to place be and have in the blank by various example with explanation. Understood student? Let's begin with this portion today. So student, it is a very important portion, a grammar section portion, where in the coming classes or in your classes you will learn about the nouns, okay, a common nouns, then you will learn about the pronouns, some possessive pronouns. So all these kind of things will be covered here in this video with this topic. Which one? Using be and have, which is subject plus be form of the verb, which might be called here an auxiliary verb. So student, let's begin with this, and let's begin with the today's topic. Student, we have subject plus be form of the verb. So what is a subject? Can anyone tell me what is a subject? Subject is a name of the person, name of the place, name of the thing, name of the area, or it may be a noun or it may be a pronoun. So it is called here subject. Subject always there in the sentence. Every sentence will have subject, will have predicate. Either every sentence will have subject, verb or auxiliary verb or object. Is it? So this is the formation of the whole sentence with subject, verb and object. Okay, with subject or predicate. Is it? So here we are going to discuss, okay, how the subject is used with be form of the verb. Which form of the verb? Be form of the verb. So be form of the verbs are here: am, are, is, okay, are, and here again are, etc. They are called here be form of the verb with subject plus be form of the verb. So again I am telling, they are 8 different kind of the verb forms. What are they? Is, am, are, been, okay, be, has, have, etc. So they are called here 8 different kind of the verbs form. So they are be form of the verb form, which are called auxiliary verb. Instead of the main verb, we can use be form of the verb. Alright, sure. So we have 2 columns. One is for singular, another one is for plural. So student, what is the difference in between singular and plural? Okay, single means only one. Plural means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. till infinity. which is more than one is called plural. Understood? So here we have one singular subject sentence. Let's see. I am a student. I am a student. Who is a student? I is a student. What is I? I is a subject in the form of pronoun. What is am? Am is a be form of the verb, which is auxiliary verb. I am a student. If I write I a student, is the meaning of the sentence is understood by you? No, it is not understood. If we add am in between, then what it seems? The sentence formation is correct. I am a student. So it is a singular sentence which tells about only one person, I. Another, you are a student. You are a student. Okay. If it is speaking about another person, you. Which person? Another person. Which form of the person? First person, second person, or third person? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it is speaking about second person. You are a student. So R is be form of the auxiliary verb. While speaking about the second person, we have to use here are. Okay, not a or not am. We have to use here are. Okay, you are a student, and it is a be form of the verb. All right. John is a student. John is a name of the boy. A noun. Is a helping verb, a main verb under auxiliary verb. He is a student. John is a student. Fine. How they have used is, are, am. This is what we have to take care here. Understood, student? Try to understand. He is a student. So he, which kind of person he is? He is a third person. Is a student. Okay, is a auxiliary verb which is used here. Okay, in the form of be form of the auxiliary verbs. Okay, so is can be said here main verb and helping verb. Then rose is a flower. Rose is a flower. Okay, rose is again subject, flower. Okay, let's say flower, it has an object. Okay, is in the form of helping verb. Okay, so here we have two subject and one helping verb. Rose is a flower. Okay, fine. It is a flower. It is a flower. So it in the form of subject, flower in the form of object. Fine. It is a flower. How is used here to mention it? So it is a which form of the person? It is third form of the person. Okay, so all these sentence gives the correct meaning for the singular verb. Which kind of verb? Singular verb. Let's talk about the plural. We are students. So we is here in the form of which person? First person. We are student. Along with student, along with common noun student, as have been used here. So it shows the meaning of something plural, more than 1, 2, 3. So it is called here plural form of the noun. So we are students. John and Mary are students. Okay, they are students. Roses are flowers. They are flowers. Understood? How they have used here are. Okay, are. So here it plays one of the important and a main verb of an auxiliary verb, which is be. Okay, so here we have discussed about subject plus be in the form of singular and plural. So student, write it down in your grammar notebook for the reference purpose. Alright, by pausing the video. So let's begin with another slide. Singular and plural form of the sentences, we have to fill these blanks. So student, what are they? They are called empty blanks. We have to fill it. Okay, by choosing the helping verbs like is, am, are. So here we have question. Complete these sentences by using is, am, are. By using is, am, are. Okay, so they are called here helping verbs. Fine. See, we dash students. Which form of the verb we have to use here? Student, find it out. So we dash students. Is student is singular or plural? Judge it out. Yes, it is plural form of the common noun. Fine. Then which kind of sentence we have to add here? We is students, or we am student, or we are students. So the correct is we are students. Okay. I dash a doctor. So I am a doctor. Second, Anna dash a lawyer. Anna is a lawyer. He dash a dentist. He is a dentist. Mary dash a secretary. Okay, Mary is a secretary. Secretary is a very responsible person. It is a very responsible designation, and the role of the secretary is very important in any organization, in any system. Okay, students. So secretary is a post. Fine. Anna and Mary are doctors. Here we can't use is because here the sentence is talking about the plural. Anna and Mary, with the help of conjunction, and which form of the verb we have to use here, and plural form of the verb, which is are. Anna and Mary are doctors. They are teachers. You are, okay, you are a dentist. Fine. She is a lawyer. You and I are a lawyers. You and I are a lawyers. Understood, student, how they have used is, am, are in between these quotient. So student, by my explanation, fill these all blanks, okay, by writing the quotient in your grammar notebook. Understood? So let's begin with another slide. Slide which tells about using have and has. So student, might be you have seen these kinds of helping verbs like have and has. Okay, this is also called one of the 8 important forms of the verbs. Okay, which form of the verb? Be form of the verb, or they can be said here an auxiliary verbs, or they can be said here an helping verb. So see here the sentence. I have a pen. Okay, I have a pen. You have a pen. He has a pen. Along with the third person he, we can't use have. We should use he has a pen. Along with the third person she, we can't use have. So what we have to use? Has. She has a pen. It has a blue ink. So it is also a third person. It has blue ink. We have pens. Okay, we have pens. You have pens. Okay, they have pens. All right. See here, we and you is a second person, we is a first person. Okay, they is again third person. They have pens. Understood how they have used here have and has in these examples. All right. Okay, let's begin with another slide. Now we have one exercise here. Okay, which one? Complete these sentences by using have or has. All right. See, I have a dictionary. Yes. Okay, we have to use here I have a dictionary. Then we have grammar books. Okay, Mary has a blue pen. She, yes, she have a blue notebook. Okay, Mary has a blue pen. She have a blue notebook. You, okay, you have a pen in your pocket. Okay, Bob has a notebook on his desk. Okay, Mary and Bob have notebooks. They have pens too. Okay, he has a red grammar book. Okay, I have a grammar book. It has 12 chapters, or it have 12 chapters. Fine. Another ninth one. John has a pen in his pocket. You and I are students. We have books in our desk. So student, did you got how we have used have or has? Okay, here in this blanks, because it is very important to understand when to use have and when to use has. Have is always added after first persons, and it will be added in the third persons in the form of they. Has is always added with, okay, third person like he, she, it, or with name of the individual person. Understood? Let's begin with another slide. Another thing, what it is? Using possessive. My, your, his, her, our, their. Okay, using possessives. So what are they? They are possessive, which belongs and which tells about the ownership, or the ownership of individual or the persons, the thing which belongs to him or her. My, your, his, her, ever, there. So what are they called? They are called here possessive. Yes, possessive noun. Okay. See, I have a book. My book is read. I and my is a possessive noun. Alright. You have a book. Your book is read. You and your is a possessive, which tells about the ownership of the book. Okay. He has a book. His book is read. So he and his is a possessive, which tells the ownership and the characteristics of book. She has a book. Her book is read. Okay. She and her is a possessive, which tells the ownership and the characteristics of the book. Understood? Again, we have books. Our books are read. So we and our is a possessive, which tells about the ownership and quality of the book. Okay. You have books. Your books are read. So you and your is possessive, which tells the qualities of books. Okay. And the ownership. Then they have books. Their books are read. Their books are read. So it tells about the possessives. Okay. And the quality of the books. So the first column belongs to singular. Okay. What it is? Singular form of the possessive verb is used here. Okay. And second column belongs to plural. A plural form of the possessive noun is used here. What are they? We, ever, you, your, they, their. So it belongs to plural form of the possessive nouns. Then here, my, I, you, your, he, his. Okay. She, her. It belongs to singular form of the possessive noun. Understood, student? This is what tells about the possessive. Now let's begin with another. Okay. So another thing we have here, this one. Which one? See. Complete these sentences by using have and has and possessive. Okay, we have to put have and has with their possessive. Okay, so let's begin with this. See, I have a ring. I have a ring and my ring is new. I have a ring. My ring is new. Bob has a book and his book is green. Okay. You have a raincoat and yours raincoat is brown. She has a raincoat and hers raincoat is red. Okay. Anne and Bob are married. They have a baby and their baby is 6 months years old. So students, how we have used have and has and some singular possessive nouns and some plural possessive nouns here in this blanks. Understood? So student, do this. It is also homework for you and listen it what I have said you just thoroughly and you will get know about the answers what you have to put there in the blank. Understood? Okay, let's begin with another slide. Something else here. What it is? We have noun plus is plus noun. Okay, which is singular. All right, let's see about this. Noun plus is helping verb, again noun which is in the form of singular. See, noun plus is plus noun. So here we have one example. Canada is a country. Canada is a noun. Country is a noun. So is also added here. Mexico is a country. Okay. Mexico is a noun. Country is also name of the place. Country is added here in the form of noun plus is plus noun. A cat is an animal. Okay. Cat is the name of the animal. Animal is the name of the group of the animals. A common noun. So is added here. Alright. So what explanation we will get here, student? Look out here. Singular means one, not two or more. It means only one. Here in Canada, okay, Canada is a singular noun. Okay, is a singular verb and country is a again singular noun. Understood, student, how they have formed this? So based on this, what we are going to learn in the another slide, let's look over what it is. Explanation. See, a frequently comes in front of singular noun. So in front of the singular noun, a always comes. So student, memorize it. Okay, it is always frequently coming in front of the singular noun. Okay, in B, a comes in front of the singular noun okay, which is country. Country is also singular noun, and the name of the country Canada, it is also singular noun. Then we have used here a, okay, in front of country a, in front of Canada a. A is called an article. So what is a, student? In the further classes you will learn about the article. Article is divided among two types, definite and indefinite. So which form of the article it is? It is a is indefinite form of the article. See, a and an have the same meaning, both of them having same meaning. They are both articles, they are the articles. A is used in front of words that begin with consonant like B, C, D, F, G, etc., etc. Just leaving. Example, a bat, a cat, a dog, a friend, a girl. Okay, they are used in front of the consonant sounds. Then when to use an? An used in front of words that begin with A, I, O, A, E, I, O, U. Say here, A, E, I, O, U. Example, an animal, an year, an island, an office. So here we have used, okay, a and an in front of them. So this explanation is somewhere related to the articles. All right. Okay, let's begin with another slide. So here we have something this, noun plus are plus noun plus plural. In the previous slide we have learned about the formula noun plus is plus noun. So here we are going to learn about noun plus are plus noun in the form of plural. So previous two slides were in the form of singular. So let's begin with this. Cats are animals. Singular is a cat. An animal is a singular. But here what is plural? Cats is a plural, animals are plural, because s is added behind there, which is more than one. Okay. Singular, a city, a country. Okay, plural, cities and countries, because s is added here, okay, in the form of suffix, and it turns the singular form of the noun into plural form of the noun. Canada and China are countries. Canada and China both are what? They are countries. So here plural form of the verb with plural form of the noun. Dogs and cats are animals. So dogs and cats are animals. Okay, so plural form of the verb with plural form of the noun. Okay, so here we have one explanation. So student, read it out. See, plural means two, three or more. So here cat is plural noun, more than two or more than one. Are a plural verb. Okay, animals a plural noun. So plural nouns and in s. Okay, a and an are used only with singular. So student, when to use a and an? A and an is always used in singular, not with the plural. So this is what an important point they have given. All right, let's begin with another slide. So the explanation regarding, see, some singular nouns that end in y. Some of the singular nouns are ending with y, have a special plural form. They have a special plural form. They omit the y and add ies. If the noun have a last letter y, it will be edited and ies in the form of suffix. Suffix means which is added behind the word. Ies is added to the word. Okay. Another explanation, two nouns connected by and are followed by are. Okay, if two nouns are connected by or are, it should be followed by are. Okay, which form of the verb? Plural form of the verb. In D, Canada is singular noun. Okay, Canada is a singular noun, China is a singular noun. They are connected by and. Okay, okay, then which form of the verb we have to use here? We have to use are in the form of plural verb. Together they are plural, that is more than one. Understood? This is what we have learned here in this slide. So students, some main points are here. Okay, in the explanation you have to write each and everything there in your grammar notebook, whatever the slide speaks out here. And in the coming video we are going to discuss about more. So from Monday onwards you are coming to the school. In school we are going to begin with the remaining portion, what is left there in your textbook. Okay student, watch this video thoroughly, get know more about this video and have a better handwriting there in your notebook, and we are going to check your notebook because notebook checking will be there in the first day of the school. Alright, so let's begin and watch it. watch this video thoroughly, okay, from beginning till end, and get know, okay, how to use have, has, when to use be form of the verb. So what are the articles, okay, what are the singular and plural nouns. This is what a very basic you are going to learn here in this video. Okay student, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.